It starts as a rounding error, 1% per hour? But compound interest is the deadliest force in the universe. Hours 1 through 5. You don't feel it yet. It's like you ate an extra slice of pizza, but mathematically, the trap is already set. By hour 24, gravity is up, 27%. Jumping is canceled. Stairs are your new worst enemy. Objects fall faster. If you drop your phone, it hits the ground with 30% more kinetic energy. It doesn't crack the screen. It cracks the floor. Hour 48. Gravity is at 1.6 G. Your heart has to beat like a techno drummer just to pump blood to your brain.
Lift your arm now. It weighs 20 pounds. While you still can, smash the subscribe button. Tomorrow, moving your finger will cost 500 calories.
Day 3. 2 Gs. This is the biological limit for walking. It feels like giving a piggyback ride to a clone of yourself, permanently. Birds are grounded. The lift equation fails them. The sky empties out as pigeons drop like rocks. It is a bad day to be a bird. Trees begin to suffer. Branches meant for 1G snap under their own weight. Forests sound like a chaotic drum circle of snapping wood. Hour 100. 2.7 G. If you lie down, your chest is too heavy to expand. Sleep is now a high-risk activity. The ocean. Water gets heavier. The pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench increases, crushing submarines into tin foil balls. Day 6. 4.2 G. The human spine is structural gelatin. If you were standing, your femurs just snapped. Civil engineering fails. Bridges are designed with safety margins, but not for 5 times gravity. The Golden Gate becomes the Golden Splash. Hour 168. 1 week. 5.3 G. Survivors are flat, immobile pancakes. But the real problem is the air. The atmosphere is being pulled down. Air pressure at sea level skyrockets. It's like being in a hyperbaric chamber set to instant death. Soda cans crush themselves. Day 10. 11 G. Mountains begin to erode because the dirt is too heavy to stay in a pile. The moon. Oh no. Earth's gravitational pull on the moon increases. A romantic nightmare. Day 14. 28 G. We have reached the gravity of the sun. If you dropped a pen, it would break the sound barrier before hitting your toe. Satellites? Gone. GPS is down. Not that you need it, since you are currently a puddle of biology on a flat planet. Week 3. Gravity is 150 G. The Earth's crust can't support itself. The planet begins to shrink. We are entering the smoosh era. Volcanoes erupt. Not from pressure up, but from the crust squeezing down. Magma is squeezed out like a pimple on a teenager's face. The moon crosses the Roche limit. Earth's gravity tears it apart. We get a ring system. A ring system made of boulders raining down at hypersonic speeds. Day 25. 400 grams. The atmosphere is no longer gas. It has compressed into a supercritical fluid. The oceans are solid ice due to pressure. Month 1. 1,200 G. We are approaching the gravity of a white dwarf star. Chemistry breaks. Electron orbitals get confused. The Earth is now significantly smaller. It's heating up rapidly because compressing rock generates heat. The surface is molten. Time dilation kicks in. Relativity says high gravity slows time. Your watch is ticking slower than a watch in deep space. Day 40. Gravity is exponential now. 10,000 G. Anything on the surface is crushed into a layer a few millimeters thick. The sun is confused. Earth is pulling on the sun almost as hard as the sun pulls on Earth. The solar system's barycenter shifts. Chaos reigns. Month 2. The numbers are too big to write. Earth collapses past electron degeneracy pressure. We are becoming a neutron star. But gravity keeps growing. 1% every hour. We pass the Chandrasekhar limit. Neutrons can't hold the line. The collapse continues. Event horizon. Earth becomes a black hole, but a tiny one. About the size of a marble. A very angry, hungry marble. It begins to eat the solar system. Asteroids, comets, and eventually Mars are sucked in like spaghetti into a vacuum cleaner. The gravity keeps increasing. The event horizon expands. It's not just mass anymore. The fundamental constant G is broken. Light can no longer escape from anywhere near us. The observable universe shrinks because light is too heavy to travel to our eyes. The fabric of spacetime rips. You can't have infinite gravity in a finite space. The simulation crashes. Error 404. Physics not found. Eventually, The entire universe is pulled back into a singular point, the Big Crunch, but mostly just a really heavy crunch. So, if gravity increases by 1% an hour, invest in helium balloons immediately. You have about 48 hours to enjoy being light.